The song's called Barracked, Don't Bomb You. It's about George Bush.
This is a funny day after never had a film. I see myself to live, I never did. Well, I'm a man, I never thought I'd live. I brought myself a gun, and it went like this.
Well,
yeah! The boys to know now! Well, the boys that never come back and never won! Why left it out that I never say? And you know it's a second against the sun, yeah! So here comes my oxygen! So we have lost! So here comes my oxygen! The we have learned! Ah! There's not enough battle for all of us! We'll take the mid first! Ah! Self-involved pieces! You're not even money for my drinking!
And then I got pulled over at 2:30 in the morning, dude.
Hella drunk.
Pretty fucked up, dude. And the cop pulled me over, and it's like, yeah, you know, I drink, but like,
Didn't you get
you
out?
know, some
turn
people
on-
they drink and they can't like do shit, and they're retarded.
Jake could do everything when he's
Well,
drunk.
no, but like I get drunk, but I'm like
Yeah.
there,
Oh, I'm sorry.
and I'm super perceptive of what's going on at all times,
Up
dude.
until New Year's, I was with you.
What sort of sick? Well, you
New
know.
Year's was the worst night of my life.
But no, I got pulled over,
Had a
dude.
couple.
Put your camera away.
No, I don't want
I
to.
was gonna do it, but you know,
It's too good.
he made me do all this shit, dude, and like walk all the lines, and I passed everything wearing cowboy boots and shit, and like he was like,
In your head, you pass it all.
No, I did. I passed it all, and he was like, oh, I want you to blow it. And I was like, didn't I just like pass all your tests? And he's like, okay, well, I'll let you get a ride home if you blow. And I was like, cool. And he's like, I think you're gonna blow like a 0.7 or something like that. And I blew a 0.18, which is pretty heavy, dude.
Which
And,
is
like,
That's
and
too over.
and the thing was, is I was like, because as soon as like I knew I was getting pulled, like I was right. Josh was like not driving. Nonetheless, drinking and driving is not cool to do.